Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel where creativity meets craftsmanship. In this video, we are going to showcase an exquisite collection of CNC Bangle designs that will leave you mesmerized. Whether you are a jewelry enthusiast or someone looking for the perfect accessory to elevate your style, this video is for you. Now, CNC Bangle Collection. Let's explore a wide range of intricately crafted CNC bangles that blend tradition with modern aesthetics, from delicate filigree work to bold statement pieces. We have curated a collection that caters to every taste and occasion. Get ready to be inspired by the artistry of CNC machining bangles. But that's not all. We also provide you with fashion forward outfit pairing ideas that will help you effortlessly integrate these stunning bangles into your wardrobe. Whether it's a casual day out, a formal event, or a traditional celebration, we have got you covered. Discover how these bangles can transform your entire look. Don't miss out on this exciting journey into the world of CNC bangle designs and styling. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest fashion trends and jewelry inspiration. Let's elevate our styles together. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.